As I walk by our campus somewhere in the north, my attention is often caught by the beauty of the campus. Tall trees lining our roads, landscape features, the water, and a lot of plants. It's like I'm walking by Eton Town, the new Alabang of South Luzon, and how we as humans can cope of all our current challenges. Our struggles like poverty, health and pollution. This and everything around us that are natural and man-made, all beautiful. They caught my attention because of the thought that what are their relevance if we are struggling with living with our illness or illnesses and all the dirt and threats, both seen and unseen, that would eventually end this life. These are the concerns I think about. Social issues on sustainability, on poverty, health and sanitation, about humans. The changes I want to achieve sustainably are the end of greed, hypocrisy, and creating automatons or humans like robot. I am Margaret Tadeja, married but using my maiden name for religious reasons, his religion, and the most important aspect of all the environment and sustainability and how we would live to our fullest, on my own opinion, is how we as humans could live to our fullest. I am engaged at a cooperative dealing with solid waste. I am also a writer, an educator, and most importantly, a mother of 3 young adults.